Welcome to the Pawn Safe Guide. Let's start with the basics. What is a pawn safe? A pawn safe is just like any other regular multi-signature crypto wallet, only it comes with added functionalities. The main one being the ability to mint an asset transfer rights token. So what are asset transfer rights? Or in short, ATR. Transfer rights are the rights of a wallet owner to move NFTs or coins out of a wallet into a different wallet address. ATR tokens are a representation of an asset's ability to move between wallets. An ATR token can be claimed by anyone who holds it in order to receive the NFT or coin which it represents. That way, if a borrower defaults on their loan against an ATR token, the lender can choose to claim the asset it represents at any time. So why would you create an ATR token of your NFT or coin? What are the benefits? Some NFTs, like Doodles and Bored Apes, give certain privileges and utility to their owners. In the traditional DeFi system, if you lock up your asset in a contract, you won't be able to claim an airdrop or get any utility from your asset. But when you create an ATR token and use the transfer rights as collateral, you still get all the benefits from holding that NFT or coin. You are still the owner of your asset. So go to PawnSafe today, mint your ATR tokens and use them as collateral on Pawn. If you wish to learn more about how to use PawnSafe, check out the next video in the playlist.